Dashboards used to tell you what happened. This one helps you decide what to do next. It doesn't just surface KPIs, it connects the dots, it challenges assumptions, and it suggests your next move in plain English. This isn't about reporting, it's about creating a thinking layer for your business, a system that doesn't just inform leadership, it augments it. The real edge today isn't having data, it's being able to talk to it literally. And in this video, I'm going to show you a real-time dashboard that I've built that does exactly that. It tracks your KPIs and it talks you through what matters, what's changing, and what to do next. Let me show you how it works.
Hi, I'm Archer, the sales specialist at Hive Group. How can I help?
Hi Archer, can you tell me what my sales look like, please, for the last week?
I can definitely help with that. I'll pull up your sales data from the last week. One moment. Okay, I have your sales data for the last week. You sold 6 units, generated 100 leads, scheduled 50 appointments, conducted 20 presentations, and your conversion rate is 30%. What would you like to discuss about these numbers? Do you want to focus on a specific area like lead generation or conversion rates, or would you like me to provide a general analysis?
I'd like to see how can we increase our conversion rate.
No problem. Increasing your conversion rate is a great goal. To give you the best advice, could you tell me a bit about your current sales process? For example, how do you typically engage with leads after they come in, and what steps do you take to move them towards a sale?
Well, I was hoping you could tell me that by looking at the previous events that we've done. So can you check over the possible event, the marketing one, and also break bulk, and tell me what are we doing differently in those events, and what can we leverage from that, and what learnings can we take from those?
Okay, I understand. I can't directly analyze the specific processes of past events using the data tool, but I can share some general strategies that Hive has used to drive leads, sales, and conversions at events like Possible and Break Bulk. Based on those events, here are a few recommendations. Amplify telemarketing and real-time reporting, invest in matchmaking tech, elevate audience quality, add new horizon expansions, and create year-round engagement offerings. Does any of that sound interesting to you?
Tell me about the matchmaking. That sounds interesting.
Certainly. Investing in matchmaking tech involves using AI-powered tools and CRM integration to improve conversion rates. Hive events like FinTech Meetup use double opt-in, pre-arranged one-on-one meetings to remove randomness and improve return on investment. At Possible, they had more than 2,700 pre-scheduled one-on-one meetings. Could this be something you can implement?
Yeah, I think it could be, actually. Have you got any suggestions on how to do that?
Great. To implement matchmaking effectively, I suggest a few things. First, scale your telemarketing efforts to re-engage past attendees and qualify leads before events. Second, use AI to match attendees based on their profiles and interests. Third, integrate this matchmaking tech with your CRM for better reporting and follow-up. Does this sound like a good starting point?
Yes, it does. Yeah, thank you, Archer. I'll be back for more insights later.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. Feel free to reach out anytime you need more sales coaching. Have a great day.
Thank you. If this has sparked ideas for how AI can help you run a smarter, faster, and more connected business, there's a lot more where this came from. I share practical AI insights just like this every week. So if you're into strategy, leadership, and using AI to actually move the needle, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss what's next. Thank you for watching. See you next week.